Hello friends, welcome back to Bird Homes. We're having the Persian cats also we sell. This is Himalayan breed, one of the best quality we're having. Tommy, come outside. Tommy, come outside. It is always staying outside at my shop only. Some other pets we're having like birds. This is guinea pigs, which is like rabbits also. You can mix with rabbits also, no problem. And finches, zebra finches, and this having Java finches also. This is an all budgies, and I'm having a budgies breeding pair also. So inside I'm having a chick with chicks also. Oh, it's very small. Thank you for watching, guys. Kindly please visit our Bird Homes branch